How to log into your Steuergo user account. Open the homepage of Steuergo in your web browser. Click on Login in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password in the window that opens. Then select Login Now to go to the dashboard page. There you will find the settings of your user account and all your tax cases at a glance. Have you forgotten your password? No problem. Enter the email address you used to register with Steuergo. You will then receive an email with a link to create a new password. If you have any questions about logging in, please contact our customer support team. You can reach us at hilfe@steuergo.de.